Are you looking for woodworking projects you can complete on weekend? Then focus on creating small and mini woodworking projects. Engaging in small woodworking projects on weekends offers a multitude of advantages that can enhance both personal satisfaction and practical skills. As life becomes increasingly busy, many people find that dedicating time to creative hobbies provides a much-needed escape and a means to express themselves. Woodworking, in particular, combines creativity with craftsmanship, resulting in tangible outcomes that can enrich one's living environment and enhance personal fulfillment. One of the primary benefits of undertaking small woodworking projects is the opportunity for skill development. Whether a novice or an experienced woodworker, every project presents a chance to learn new techniques and improve existing skills. From measuring accurately to mastering tools, each task contributes to a deeper understanding of the craft. This hands-on experience not only boosts confidence, but also lays the foundation for more ambitious projects in the future. The incremental learning process inherent in woodworking allows individuals to see their progress over time, fostering a sense of accomplishment and motivation. Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small woodworking projects you can complete on weekends as mini woodworking ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Small woodworking projects are often manageable within a weekend time frame, making them accessible for those with busy schedules. Unlike larger projects that may require weeks or months to complete, smaller endeavors allow for quick gratification. This immediacy can be particularly fulfilling, as it provides a sense of achievement without the prolonged commitment of larger builds. Completing a project within a weekend can enhance one's mood and provide a satisfying conclusion to the week, making it an ideal way to unwind. The act of creating something with one's hand can also serve as a powerful form of stress relief. In an age dominated by screens and digital distractions, woodworking offers a tactile experience that encourages mindfulness. The focus required to measure, cut, and assemble pieces allows individuals to immerse themselves in the task at hand, providing a welcome break from everyday pressures. This meditative quality of woodworking can contribute to improved mental well-being, making it an excellent weekend activity for those seeking to recharge. Additionally, woodworking encourages problem-solving and critical thinking. Each project presents unique challenges, from selecting the right materials to determining the best construction methods. Navigating these decisions fosters creativity and adaptability, skills that can be beneficial in other areas of life. The iterative nature of woodworking, where adjustments and refinements are often necessary, teaches individuals to embrace the process and find solutions to unexpected hurdles. This approach to problem-solving can translate into greater resilience in various aspects of life, both personally and professionally. Small woodworking projects also provide an excellent opportunity for social interaction and bonding. Many people choose to engage in woodworking with family members or friends, making it a shared experience that fosters connection. Working together on a project encourages collaboration and communication, which can strengthen relationships. Additionally, sharing the results of a completed project can create lasting memories and deepen the sense of community among those involved. The social aspect of woodworking can make the experience even more enjoyable as individuals celebrate their successes together. The benefits of small woodworking projects extend beyond personal fulfillment. They can also lead to tangible improvements in one's living environment. Handmade items often carry a unique charm and character that mass-produced goods lack. By creating custom pieces, Individuals can infuse their homes with personal touches that reflect their style and preferences. This sense of authenticity can enhance the overall ambience of a space, making it feel more inviting and meaningful. Moreover, handmade items often become conversation starters, allowing homeowners to share their creative journey with guests. Another advantage of small woodworking projects is the potential for sustainability. Many individuals find that working with reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood aligns with their values. By repurposing materials or choosing eco-friendly options, woodworkers can contribute to environmentally conscious practices. This focus on sustainability can enhance the overall satisfaction derived from the craft, as individuals take pride in creating beautiful items while minimizing their environmental impact. This connection to sustainability fosters a sense of responsibility and stewardship towards natural resources. The joy of creating and customizing items also fosters a sense of ownership and pride. Each completed project represents not just a physical object, but also the time, effort, and creativity invested in its creation. This connection to handmade items can enhance an individual's appreciation for their surroundings and encourage a deeper understanding of craftsmanship. Over time, this pride can lead to a collection of unique pieces that tell a story, adding personality and character to one's living space. In addition to the benefits of skill development and personal growth, small woodworking projects can also serve as a means of giving back to the community. Many woodworkers choose to create items for local charities, schools, or community organizations. Crafting toys, furniture, or decorative pieces for those in need can create a sense of fulfillment and purpose. This altruistic aspect of woodworking not only benefits others, but also enriches the woodworker's experience, providing a sense of connection to the broader community. Moreover, small woodworking projects can be tailored to suit various interests and skill levels. Beginners can start with simple tasks that build confidence, while more experienced woodworkers can challenge themselves with intricate designs. This adaptability allows individuals to choose projects that align with their current abilities and aspirations, ensuring that woodworking remains an enjoyable and rewarding endeavor. The freedom to select projects that resonate on a personal level enhances the overall experience, making it more meaningful. The ability to create items that serve practical purposes is another advantage of small woodworking projects. From storage solutions to decorative accents, the items crafted can enhance everyday life. These functional pieces can simplify organization and improve the efficiency of daily routines, contributing to a more harmonious living environment. The satisfaction of creating items that are not only beautiful, but also useful adds another layer of fulfillment to the woodworking experience. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked small woodworking projects on you can complete on weekends as mini woodworking ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.